This time on Irate Garage, we're going to talk about one of the worst trucks ever built. 2009 Super Duty. And one of the dumbest things Ford ever did was with this truck. And it has nothing to do with the engine. It's nothing to do with the emissions. What it has to do with is the damn windshield washer squirter. Worst design ever. What was wrong with putting it here? What was wrong with putting it here on the older trucks? It worked great. No, we're gonna put them here where they break off all the time. And where if the lines aren't run perfectly, they rub on the turbo and burn through. Just absolute pure genius. We're gonna swap these out real quick before it gets too dark, because it's gonna snow in a couple of days and I don't want to have to deal with it. So let's get to it. So I will admit to screwing up the last time I did this repair, and I bought the wrong squirters. If you look, you see how this one is straight, and the one I have now has an angle to it, or you know what I mean, like a, and that's what you actually want. These are wrong. Not readily apparent that they are wrong, but they are wrong. I just wasn't paying attention when I ordered them on Amazon. So, and it came with new hoses and all that stuff that apparently won't come apart now. There we go. Actually, we're just gonna shove that through. Try to do this so you can see. There's two tabs on either side. Squeeze them and it pushes up. Those two tabs right there. A lot of times I've actually had, I replace these about once a year, and I've had these break here and I've had them break down there. So take the new one, just put the little rubber gasket on there. And trust me, you need this little rubber gasket. Otherwise these things will just sit there and vibrate and chip the shit out of your paint. If you care about such things. Really, for me, it depends on the day. And just like that, boom. In there. Give it a little push. Make sure it's in there good. A lot of the kits will come with hose. You can just replace the squirter if that's all that's wrong. And you just want it long enough to do the job. There we go. Same thing over here on this guy. Show you what went wrong here. Now if you look here, the hose had come down and touched the turbo and melted onto the turbo. So that was genius. Doesn't move too much fluid after you do that. I gotta figure out how to run this so it doesn't fall into the turbo again. I honestly don't remember what way this was run from the factory. Cool, I just broke the new squirter. Fuck me. You gotta be kidding me. This goddamn cheap Chinese shit. So this one was working just fine, I guess. So I'm going to put this one back here, because that line isn't so important. Alright, so this one goes back. Really, it worked. This side worked just fine. This time I'm going to put this hose on it right now. I could probably glue the other one back together, but I kind of want this to work. So now I'm going to run it through the hose through the hole in the hood. I'll run it under that wire. There we go. And now I can go here and there, and hopefully it doesn't fall and rub on the turbo and melt through again. I guess I'll find out. There we go. That's better, because the other one, it had a big loop in it. And now we'll look in here and see if that hits anything. Oh, that looks much better. I think that'll work good. Cool. All right, let's see if it squirts. I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck and let it warm up and see if it'll melt that line. There we go. See how crappy that other one sprays? It's just like right at the windshield. All right, well, that's how you do it. I'm gonna let it run and see if it melts that hose or not. And we'll go from there. So, if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Real quick one, I think I'm gonna throw this up on Thanksgiving weekend just to get something out there real quick. So, there you go, guys. Be safe. I'll catch you in the next one.